Sawadee. Hi everyone, how are you today? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to make egg roll. Okay, I know everybody love egg roll. That's first thing we talk about Asian food. Egg roll subject come first. Okay, so one of my favorite food also. So I'm gonna introduce you what I use today. I use the rice paper, this one, and then this is called black fungus. It sound not very good, but it's very good stuff. It's good fungus, okay, guys. And then I also have a clear noodle here. Okay, what I do, I soak them with the cold water for 15-20 minutes while I prepare those stuff. I mean, if you don't have much time, you can do like about 10 minutes, okay? And this one I soak about 15-20 minutes also, okay? And rinse it real good with the warm water and leave it on the water for 15-20 minutes. And then I have a vegetable oil. Of course, we're gonna deep fry today. And then come to this side, I have ground pork, 2 pounds, and bean sprouts, 2 eggs, and my clear noodle. I use about 2 rolls, like this 2 rolls right here. And then I have black fungus and garlic, shallot, carrot, and this is green onion. I like it because I have to add some more color to my food a little bit. And I also use the onion, the big onion. What it do is kind of like give the texture to the food, okay? So that's why I like to use it. It's really good, you know, taste too. And I have a black pepper here, and chicken flavor, salt, and fish salt, and my sugar. Okay, and that's all. I just use something very easy and simple, okay? And this is more like original egg roll. That's how my mom teach me how to cook, and thank you, Mom, for teaching me how to cook just a good egg roll so I can share with you guys today. Okay, let me put this away, all this stuff away, so we can go ahead and start. Okay, go ahead and put the pork in. Bean sprouts. Okay, the black fungus, they have 2 different kinds. Some is not sliced, but I shoot the one is sliced. It saves me some time, and it's still like little big piece, okay? So after you soak and rinse it out real good, so make sure it's super clean, okay? And then you go ahead like kind of like chop it, make it smaller, okay? Like small piece. When you put in the, you know, mix with those stuff, is, you know, make it look nicer. Then I kind of go this way a little bit. Make sure I cut them good. And then I use 2 eggs. Any egg you have refrigerator, okay? See, when I cut my onion, I don't like it to be too thin. I like it a little chunky, so it's kind of like show on the egg roll when you roll them. Okay, I'm just gonna use half of the onion. The onion make me cry now, guy. Got all the meat and vegetable all prepared, and now you're gonna go ahead and start put the seasoning. Okay, let's go ahead and start with salt first. Okay, put the salt in, and then chicken flavor, black pepper. I like a lot of black pepper. Okay, guys, if you don't like much black pepper, you just don't have to put much as I am. But I love it hot with a hot pepper. Sugar, fish salt, okay, and now we're gonna mix together. Look like it's a lot of black pepper, right, guys? But like I say, I like black pepper. If you don't like it, you can cut in half. You know, all my ingredient. That's how I like it. But anything you wanna fix it and add in more or take out more, no problem. Okay. Is that beautiful color? You know, I have story to tell. My daddy, he fall in love with my mom just because my mom, she make a good egg roll. So, hopefully you guys enjoy my recipe. And then you just kind of like mix it in really well together. Yeah, it's really important when you mix the vegetable and the meat together. You know, make sure it's if you don't mix well enough, you're gonna have the chunk that don't taste right. You know. Yeah, sometimes you have to go to the bottom of the bowl and flip upside down like that. I mean, over. Okay, I'll be roll it up in a little bit. Let's put this on the side. Okay, cool. Okay, I start wrap my egg roll now. Okay, so what I do, I get the dry sheet here, the rice paper, wet with the water. So I have a bowl of water and I wet real good like this, and then I go ahead drop them like that. Okay, and then I use a clean towel. This is a very clean towel. Okay. and then you wipe out the water a little bit, okay? And then you wanna kind of like go ahead do this. It's about a spoonful, like right there. Depend on what size you like. You can make it small. And you see how like when I put the meat, I don't put right here. I put like a little bit almost to the center. This is the center, so it's a little bit off the center, okay? So by the time I kind of like fix my meat, like I said, depend on what size you like. You can add a little bit more you want to, okay? Or you can make it small, however you like. See like that? And see how it start to soft? And I go ahead fold them like this, lay into this side about right here. And then I go ahead squeeze my meat like that, okay? And then roll. What you do there is like underneath here, like a second layer already. And then you want to fold here, corner to corner, okay? Like about right here. Just take little practice, okay? Even I do all the time. Sometimes mine is different size, and you see, like some, you know, short, some long, whatever. But if you more perfection, make sure you put the meat the right amount and roll it, okay? Okay, let's try again. Let's wet the right sheet first, like that. Make sure it's all wet, okay? Like that. Put down. Use the towel, wipe the water out. About right there. See that? Roll a little bit. Now go ahead fold. And don't wait too long. If you wait too long, it's gonna be very soft and you cannot roll them, okay? So this is just right. See? And then, I mean, you keep doing same thing, you know, turn your music on and keep going, you know, until you finish all your meat, okay? And see, it's not even deep fried, but the egg roll meat smells so good right now. Or you can do like this. Yeah. See, it's still hot, so I'll just wait few seconds. Not even second, just a little bit. Don't move too fast. At least you have 2 tray, and then you can sweep out, okay? But I use only 1 tray. See that? Like that. Then you go here, just like you fold like envelope. Go, there. Okay. Okay, see, I finished my egg roll right here. And then, you know, this is like a little sticky. You don't want to stay on the top of each other, okay? So I have like 2 layers. So if you can find the net like this, put on top so that way they don't touch each other. See how it goes? So you want to kind of like separate them, okay? And now I got the oil here, and I got my warm up, my pot here, ready to deep fry, okay? What I use here, I use the vegetable oil, okay? I don't like to use the other vegetable because they won't crunchy. So I found out by the experience, if I use the other product, like not vegetable oil, they're soft. But when you use a vegetable oil, it's more crunchy for a long time. Okay, so I just now waiting for my oil to be a little hot, okay? Okay, see, I'm testing my oil first. You can see that bubble. So it means.
No, back.
Oil right now is getting hot now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead drop my egg roll in. Okay, guys, see how it's like turn white a little bit, but it's not completely cooked yet. Okay, and I'm gonna set them to the side, and I'm gonna go back this fry for second time. Okay, so this kind of rice, egg roll, you have to deep fry twice, not one time. So that way, the second time you get more like golden color and crispy. Okay, now I'll go ahead and get some more down. Oh, smells so good. So, see how like the first time I let it rest a little bit, kind of like cool down a little bit, but not completely cool. Now I refry again, okay? I deep fry one more time. So this one gonna be final. Oh look, finally my egg roll is done. What you think, guys? Try to cook that at home, okay? Okay, so before you serve this kind of noodle, I'm sorry, before you serve this egg roll, you just go ahead and cut them about the bite size, okay? Like that. And let me show you how to eat them too. See, you're gonna serve with the noodle, rice noodle, cucumber, and tomato. You know how like in Laos we have a star fruit, but we don't have it, so we can use tomato for that, and bean sprouts. And I have my onion here, cilantro, and all kind of mint. Okay, and look at all this mint. I got them from my backyard. Okay. So if you have green thumb, that's what you have. Okay. See my noodle, I like to do like a bite size like that because it's wrapped. So you want to make sure do the bite size and put your egg roll in like that. Little bit of bean sprouts, tomato, and then cucumber. The reason I slide the cucumber is thin because it's going to be very big bite. Okay, put cilantro in and green onion. See like that, and then the sauce that I showed you on the other video, like that, and then you go ahead wrap it up like this. Hold it up with your hand. Oh, let me put a little mint. So you want a little bit of everything too. Okay. Little mint on, salt over like that. Here we go. Mm. 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 Mm.